Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Ledger Nano X Bluetooth updated. Open Ledger Live, unlock your Nano X, and enable Bluetooth in device settings. Keep your PIN ready and do not share it with anyone. Use the Bluetooth pairing prompt in Ledger Live and confirm the device fingerprint on both screens. If pairing fails, restart Bluetooth and the app, then try again using the troubleshooting steps I demonstrate next. On both iOS and Android, start by updating Ledger Live to the latest version and granting required permissions. For Android, disable battery optimization for reliable background connectivity. For iOS, allow Bluetooth and any location prompts needed for scanning. When pairing, confirm the same device name and fingerprint on phone and Nano X screen. If you see multiple devices, pick the one that matches your Nano X model and restart the app if needed. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to help others find it. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice works wonders for a fresh-smelling car, and it pairs nicely with a tidy desktop of crypto gear. It's a small, affordable improvement that makes maintenance routines a bit more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, first restart your Nano X and your phone, then try again. Remove old Bluetooth pairings that might conflict and ensure no other devices are actively connected to the Nano X. Check that airplane mode is off and that Bluetooth visibility is enabled. If problems persist, carefully reinstall Ledger Live after ensuring your recovery phrase is securely backed up offline, and follow the app setup to re-establish a clean Bluetooth connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.